Today we were at Henderson, Albion, and Nuestro Mundo. We organized an in-service in our neighboring feeder schools into their 4K programs.
An in-service essentially just means like being in the room, spending time with the kids, participating in lessons, in playtime.
My students loved seeing the high schoolers. They had all these lessons prepared of what they were going to do.
Corresponding to the numbers you got, that's how many pieces of cheese you're going to get.
We were teaching them how to write their letters and what sounds they make.
You're doing it. Come on.
Let's do that one.
For my students that are in the child development class, I wanted their summative to be job applicable, something they could go on their resumes, something that really showcased all of their skills and talents.
I was like, oh, this is so cool that we have students at Follette High School that are interested in early childhood education.
So like we use like facial expressions and like noises to be like, oh, good job, and like high fives and stuff to like encourage them, showing them you can do it and you're doing a good job.
I was able to do an in-service this way where I went into a first grade classroom once a day and I did work. And I really loved that, and that's why I ended up being a teacher.
Wouldn't it be awesome if students that came from Follette were teaching at our Madison schools?
Be careful, don't hit it. You don't want to pop it.
It felt very satisfying and gratifying to know that we've learned things that can like help other kids learn and grow up and like live in the real world.
Really miss those kids already. It's been not even an hour.